Hello, algebra scholars. The other main idea in section 1.2 is using the distributive law in reverse, which we call factoring. A lot more on this in chapter 5. We will do an entire chapter on factoring in chapter 5. This is just a very small taste of it now, but you will see at least one or two questions involving this concept on the mid-year exam, so pay attention. The main idea is to look at the expression, no equal sign, right? And look for the greatest common factor that each term has. In this first problem, the greatest common factor is a 3, which we will factor outside of the parentheses. And what is left if we take out a factor of 3? In the first term, there is an x that's left, and in the second term, there is a 2y that's left. So this is distributing in reverse. Notice that if we were to actually distribute the 3 to the x and the 3 to the 2y, we would get back exactly what we started with. In the next problem, the greatest common factor is a 2, and then what is left is x in the first term, 2y in the second term, and a 5 in the third term. And in the third example, the greatest common factor is a 5. If we factor that out, we're left with x in the first term, 3y in the second term, and be careful here, 1 in the third term. If you take a factor of 5 out of 5, the other factor that is left is a 1. So don't forget that 1 right there. Very important.